Welcome back to Breaking Cars. Today, we ourselves. Team that you needed to do compliance for.
Correct. He panicked and said, "No, I need compliance."
Rocky, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Start by jacking it off, and then pull the splash guard, take the wheel off, lower the skirts, bolts up here, bolts in here. Satan could make one thing, and that's what he made, these things. zoom in and show, bro. Straight from hell. It would have been a shame if we had to fucking put a turbo EJ20 in, because I crushed the sump.
Would have been a shame if we had to make it a fast car.
It's already fast. This would beat your XR8.
Probably would.
Oh, damn, you meant to say no. You meant to be like, nah, man.
Actually, it depends on where.
Oh, okay, there you go. Here we
Like,
go.
if we had to do a drag race to Macca's, I reckon I would win.
Yeah, because you're hungrier. It's got nothing to do with XR8. It's because you're keen on nuggets, you fat ass.
Don't out me like that. The internet doesn't know this yet.
I added you before you added me.
You guys don't know this. You guys don't know this.
Yeah, they do.
Step one, complete.
Yeah, done.
So now we just paint it, call it a day.
Yeah.
Bam.
Like as is. Just...
Yeah. Dude, I know a guy that did that last time.
Who? Idiot. How dare they? Yep. There seems to be an engine in here.
Oh, it did.
All the pews that came off, I replaced them. Hey, bolts and shit.
I see some bolts.
Looks like it's in there. Ta-da! I wonder if we can push out some dents from here. Oh! It's that flimsy. Dude, look at that. It was a pressure dent.
As in someone sat on it.
Yeah, some fat ass. Probably me.
We use spray cans for the primer step to save time with the setup and cleanup involved with using a spray gun.
Prior to spraying the panel with primer, we sanded it back with 400 grit sandpaper to help promote adhesion of the primer and paint. After the primer had dried overnight, we flattened it out with 800 grit sandpaper. This is to help with adhesion, but also to get a flatter finish with the base coat.
It's actually really good. You can't tell the difference between where the guard is and where the boot is and where the thing is.
It looks pretty close, yeah.
Setting up a spray gun involves trial and error for first timers as there isn't a universal guide. Adjust airflow and spray patterns until you are happy with the coverage.
Uh-oh. What?
We laid the base coat lightly as we were worried about runs. However, with practice, you can lay it on thicker like we did with the clear.
I get it.
Oh, dude, it's an actual bug.
No, it's like here.
Is it actually?
So we're doing clear in the same city?
Yeah. Dude, look at how clear that is.
As we were newcomers to using a spray gun, we decided to go heavy on the clear and flatten it out after.
But you can see it getting the gloss though, which is also really promising.
Dude, and you can see, I can see the gun. Like, I can see an actual reflection now.
Seeing a mirror.
Bro, look at this! Look at this! A commonly heard term with novice painters is orange peel. This describes the finish of a paint job that isn't flat or shiny. We wet sanded with 1500 grit sandpaper and then polished the panel in order to get that nice gloss and factory look.
After we got the whole car in one colour, we thought it might be a good idea to get the rest of the car looking as schmick as the newly painted panel.
Catch us next time as we give the entire body of our GC8 a little bit of tender love and care.